Hi, this is Donna Durbin with Clear English Coach. Many of my clients still have trouble with vowels, and many of them have not been taught phonetics, so you don't know how to divide a word into syllables and to determine whether a vowel is long or short. This course is going to answer those questions. This is for intermediate to advanced non-native English speakers who still have trouble with pronunciation of the American vowels. They are crazy. I want to invite you to enroll in my Vowel and Phonics 7-day crash course. This may be the solution to a lot of your problems. In my advanced Vowel and Phonics 7-day crash course, you're going to learn how to say the vowels correctly. You're going to practice mouth and tongue exercises to strengthen your muscles so that you can say them correctly. You're going to practice words using all the vowel sounds, long, short, and diphthong. I'm going to give you the rules for syllables, the rules for short and long vowels, and pronunciation cheat sheets for the complete American alphabet. You'll also get some advanced coaching on prefixes and suffixes, stressed and reduced vowel sounds. Let's take some of the mystery out of American vowels for you. Enroll today in my Vowel and Phonics 7-day crash course to learn how to say all of the vowels correctly. I look forward to seeing you in the Vowels and Phonics 7-day crash course. And share this video with your friends.